Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are in the world. How's everybody doing out there on Winning Wednesday? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, guys, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Here to show you guys this program I spoke about the other day. This is not a new program. They just happened to relaunch their website. The capture page is kind of a facelift they did on the program. All right. So discover how average people are pulling in $200 and $400 payments with this system M.A.P. All right. Joined this thing about 2 years ago. And hey, with the new revamp, I really like what they got going on. $200 payments and $400 payments, guys. And I'm here to show you guys that this can be done. All right. So let's talk about this program just a little bit. I actually did a review the other day. You can go check out that video. Matter of fact, I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out. Very affordable for the masses. All right. Of course, it is affiliate marketing, digital marketing, but it's direct sales, member to member. There is no middleman. You're going to be paid 100% commission. Okay. You decide how you want to get paid. They have different payment options in your back office where you can select the payment method in which you want to be paid via. All right, whichever payment processor. All right, so let's go over this. Here's another page that they have. I showed you guys another page the other day. So this one's a little different. Okay, I kind of like this one as well. Let's look at this other one. Hang on. See, this one says New Cash Storm has arrived. And then this one says discover how average people are pulling in $200 and $400 payments. I like that one. All right, and that's the other thing. You can switch those pages out. Okay, they have 3 capture pages, and I believe it's 3 sales pages, landing pages. All right, so let's get into this a little bit here. This is a done for you system, by the way. Everything is already set up. All you have to do here is plug in your payment method, guys. Plug in how you want to get paid, which is you're going to go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, come through my capture page. Go ahead and make your payment. We'll go over that in a second. And then you come here. When you log into your back office, you're going to get an email from the company. So make sure you check your spam folder to welcome you so that you can log in. All right. And then you come here, it says to the left of this control panel, start here. All right, and see, it tells you very clearly, complete your profile, step 1. Step 2, set up your payment options, right? They show you the different payment options. And then if you want, this is optional, if you want to set up the callback team where they will follow up with all your leads, your prospects. Okay, that's how you set it up. Very simple. And let me show you different payment options. People do like this. And see, you have a video right here. Activate correctly. Step 1. Payment setup. Step 3. Start getting traffic. And they show you all the different ways that you can get traffic right here. So let's look at this. Payment setup. So if we click there, here are the options. You're able to set up your payment processor via authorized.net, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Dinero, and then this is a manual process here, whatever you want. Like I put, I selected something here. Then we got Venmo. Okay, so Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Dinero here, and then Venmo. All right, you decide. And all you have to do, guys, is follow these videos. These 4 videos will get you set up properly. All right. So once you do that, really, you're looking, you got your 2 here. Activate your profile, set up your payment options, and start promoting. that's the flow of it. So you could come over here to the left. Well, what are some ways that I can get traffic to this opportunity? So click here, and they have many options right here, right? Marketing basics, M.A.P 90-day blitz, places to advertise. They've got postcards. You can mail flyers out. You can mail postcards. They have solo ad vendors, texting scripts. So if you want to text out a message to some people, they've got the rotator. They've got drop cards, which looks like these $100 bills that I have here. Okay. And you can mail postcards out, and here is a page that gives you information on how to get discounts on your postage. All right. So there's many ways to promote the opportunity. All right. Now, what I want to do real quick is show you over here the bonus page that they give you. On this bonus page, you're getting this page. All right. Save members money, $200 and $400 payments. All right. This is what it shows. And you get what as a bonus? You get the done for you system. Bonus number 1. It includes the capture pages, the video sales page. This is easy to set up, dynamic. It really is. Then you get autoresponder that's included. So there's no monthly fees here. Okay. It's one and done. Make your payment. You're done. Okay. So your autoresponder email series is included, where the company is going to be sending out these emails on your behalf to everybody that opted into your page, so that you can connect with your prospects. Okay. Bonus 3 is no monthly fees, which I just mentioned. Okay. So there's no monthly fees. You get the capture page, the autoresponder, all included in one. No monthly fees. All right. Now let's look at this. So these Cash App payments you can get. Check it out. Okay. We all know what Cash App looks like. I'm covering this up for privacy protection, but Cash App, guys, you can receive these payments any way you want of those choices I just showed you. So this works if you work the business. All right. So step 1, guys, very simple. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. Come here, put in your information. You're going to get that sales page I was on, right? Page like this. Watch this video. It will explain the program. It's like 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You decide, right? Now, it's only $67 for the admin. That includes your capture page, the whole system, right? So if you decide you want to go with the $200 program, it's $267. That's it. One time. 67 goes to the company. 200 will come to me. All right. And you're going to get an email from the company, of course, right? With your login information. You're going to log in. Step 1. And I'm going to send you a welcome email as well. Right? So step 1, come over here, complete your profile. That's like your email address. Make sure it's correct. Your address, right? Step 2, set up your payment options, which I showed you earlier, whether you want Cash App, etc. All right. And then if you want this, it's optional. The callback team. Okay. It's not required, but that's there. And then you want to get traffic. See right here to your right, you want to follow these videos. Activate correctly. They're going to walk you through each of these. Payment setup, there's a video. Then step 3 is get traffic. And you can come over here to get traffic ideas. Well, what type of traffic? How do I do this? So click here and you'll see all the different options, which means start promoting the opportunity. That's what they're saying there. Okay. So that's how this goes. This can work for you too, of course, if you apply yourself. All these programs require you to put in some work. Okay. Can't just join and do nothing. You have to promote it. That's advertising. All right. So here with this company, they give you all these different ideas of how to do it, as well as offline marketing. So there's tons of ways to promote it over here. All right, get started with me today. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My info is below, and I'll be happy to assist you guys. That's it. That's all. Just want to come back and show you guys this program. This is another opportunity in which you can earn instant pay, daily pay, right here for under $300, $267 you're in. All right, so go check it out, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, do not forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.